Hey guys, it's me Anirban, and today there will be no unboxing video or review video or any such videos like that. In this video I would like to thank you all, those of you who are my audiences, those of you who are my lovable subscribers. I would like to thank you all for supporting me in this long run. I never thought that I will be able to reach 500 subscribers because of all your support and love that you guys always showed me. Because of that only I reached so much subscribers, that is 500 subscribers. And you know that to grow our channel, the 500 subscribers limit is a much great achievement for a creator like me. And also I would like to thank my parents too as well, because without their support I would not be able to create this channel. They always motivated me a lot. My father always supported me in this long run, and my mother also supported me a lot. They showed me so much of love and affection they did. And also because of all of that, and also I would like to thank all of my friends too as well. My friends always supported me. They always gave me new ideas on which I made several videos. Sometimes they gave me suggestions too as well, so that I can improve myself. Sometimes they also provided their contents to me as well, so that I can make videos on that, and I can post it on YouTube, and all those things they always did for me. And so also a big thank you to all of them. My school friends, my college friends also, they supported me a lot. And also because of those of you guys who are watching this video, you are one of my most powerful weapon, because without your help I would not have reached so much of subscribers. You guys shared my videos a lot, and that's why you guys showed so much of love and care for my channel and for myself as well. And that's why I was able to reach so much of subscribers. And I know that you guys will also support me in my upcoming milestones, so that I can also achieve them. And also many of you have this question in mind, that how I managed to get so much of items that I actually review or unbox on in my channel. Those many of you have this question, that from where did I gather so much of unboxing stuffs that I usually do. So first of all I would like to clear that fact, that is I don't get any kind of sponsorship or anything like that from any brand or something like that. Those of the unboxing which I usually do are personally my own items, and sometimes my parents also buy me some of the products so that I can review it on my channel. And also my friends also provided me when they buy some new products or something like that. They also made the unboxing video which I usually do. They did it myself, and also send me the video so that I can edit it and post it on my YouTube channel. Even those friends also supported me a lot, and so that I can get more contents as well. And also my relatives too also supported me, and they also, whenever they buy any kind of new products or something like that, I used to visit their house and also do all those videos to usually take those kind of videos of all those things. I unbox it. I usually borrow that item for 1 or 2 days, so that I can shoot multiple videos and I can provide you with all those genuine contents and all those stuffs like that. I don't get any kind of sponsorship and all those stuffs like that. So don't think that I get all those things from the company and the company sends me all those things. As you all know that when you are coming new in YouTube, then you will not be able to gather all those things from the company itself, because the company will not provide you all those items. And so this is one of the most asked question that I usually, most of my subscribers usually ask this question, and so this is the actual answer. And also and also I would like to thank you all once again for supporting me. And I tried to celebrate my 500 subscribers, that achievement that I completed because of all your love and support. I tried to celebrate all those things, and so let's see this video. one is for all of you who supported me and always loved me and always showed all those support for my channel, and thank you all for supporting me in this long run. Keep supporting me like this way, and also I will try my best to post this kind of videos in future too as well, and thank you all. My YouTube journey all started with just a single thought. One day while I was searching through YouTube, I came across an idea that I came across a video. Basically, I saw that that person was explaining a thing which I also know myself, and I thought that I could explain this thing a little more better so that people can even understand it a more better way. It becomes easier for them and all those stuffs like that, and that's why I within a single thought I basically did make my YouTube channel, and I started posting video. At that time I didn't show my face because I was very much nervous, and I used to write all those scripts, and I jotted them down in my diary, and all those things I did, and I used to make voiceovers and did all those videos, so that after I did 3 or 4 videos, I thought that people are somewhat liking my videos, they are giving good responses, and that motivated me a lot, and you guys also supported me a lot, and that's why I decided to do this kind of stuffs. Because one thing you might know that electronic items are something like that which people keep on buying, and that thing keeps on rolling and rolling, and you will never face a shortage for this kind of category of channel. If you have this kind of category of channel, then you will not face any kind of shortage of this kind of items, because the electronic gadgets we keep on buying, and that is the only reason why I choose this category for my channel. And also I try to post all those videos and I always try to make those videos in such a way that makes people more that the idea becomes more clear for them, that is for you people, so that you can easily understand that single thing. Sometimes what happens that topic is very much difficult to understand, but if you can express it in your own words, then sometimes it becomes easier for the person who is listening to you, it becomes easier for him to understand, and that's why I always try to do this kind of videos and all those stuffs like that. And also I would like to share one instant that one day while I was my online classes, as most of you know that I am an engineering student, computer science engineering student, and so in this lockdown period I basically made my channel. And during my online classes, after my online classes were over, I was just browsing through the Facebook or something like that. I was just relaxing that day. I was not doing any kind of stuffs. My father came with a box. I didn't knew what was it. I was completely new for me. He came with a box and he told me that why are you wasting your time sitting and doing all those Facebook and all those stuffs like that, go do some video, unbox this item. And those kind of things always motivated me a lot. I got so much of spirit from my father as well. He also is a very tech enthusiastic guy, and he also supported me a lot. And whenever he bought any of the new items, he first came, he always comes to me and says that you go and do these kind of videos and you post these kind of videos and all those stuff. He usually he most of the time encourages me for doing this kind of videos, and also he provides me with some more ideas and all those stuffs like that. And he always motivated me. My mother also motivated me a lot. Sometimes what happens that I become a little bit of nervous, then she always tells me that don't be nervous, try to give the full effort, and that also motivated me a lot. And I did all those videos. And you know that it is all about your self-confidence. If you have self-confidence, then you can easily overcome any challenge, and that's what I did. At last, I would also like to thank you all once again, and also please keep supporting me like this way. If you support me, it gives me so much motivation that I post so many videos, so that I can post more videos, this kind of videos in future too as well. And so please keep supporting me like this way. And also I know that you guys can only make it possible. I will soon reach 1000 subscribers, and for that I need all your help and support. And thank you all and love you all.